What are you doing? What are you doing with my girlfriend?
Bro,
What?
what's up?
I'm good.
Good. You know, I want you to help me in something.
With what?
There is this girl I found on TikTok. Bro, she's cute.
God have mercy upon us.
She told me she got a man, but she wants to meet me.
So what? How can I help you?
I'm scared to go there alone. So I want you to help me. I want to go with you. Okay. Bro. Oh, baby girl. Where are you? I'm already here. Yeah, I want you to meet my best friend. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, she's here, baby. What?
Mary, what's going on?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing with my girlfriend?